Okay, the topic is which age is better, modern age or old age? So there are two groups. Girls are there favoring modern age, and boys are there favoring old age. So we will start with girls. So who speaks first? Yes.
We think that modern age is better than old age because modern age is very advanced. They know new technologies and they have more knowledge about society and all that.
This much. Okay. Who is going against?
In old age, the people have good health and good and they are very active in all kind of sports. In modern age, all people are lazy like us.
Add something more, yeah, please. He said that people of old age were healthier, they had good lifestyle. Hanji, what do you want to say?
That when the modern age are doing growing up for making their work easy, but in the old age we can do our work by own, by ourselves only. But if we have technology, so
Some
why?
other girls should also favor. Yes, Jay, you should say something. हाँ जी बोलिए प्लीज. कौन फेवर कर रहा है? बोलिए.
I think that if we have technology, if we have knowledge about technology, so we should use it. We should utilize our time and we should grow up and we believe in smart work, not hard work.
You say something.
About the
Louder.
right use of the technology and the technology. So nowadays, in the modern age, people are not using that in the right way, and they are misusing it, and they are just like they are entertaining themselves, not doing anything for like the future life, and they are just following their life. So because of this technology, they are not doing anything, and they are becoming lazier day by day.
Technology is making people lazy also. They don't want to do any work. They don't want to do something creative. They dependent on technology only. Hanji, do you have some points about this? Thinking. Hanji, who has? Yes, you say. Sani, say something about this. Why do you like modern age? How will it go like this? It will not go like this. Only she will speak. Yes.
Okay. So when technology is not there, so that time India is not that much developed.
India was not.
India was not that much developed, but now India is developing day by day. So I think technology helps us.
Technology help us, but misuse of technology can cause low IQ, and also the food of this time can cause heart attack in a 9-year-old of child also.
Use of technology causing problems to people.
It may be, but not everyone misuse the technology.
Add something more. Some other people should also speak. इतने लोग बैठे हैं बोलो प्लीज. You say something? Yes.
Sir, I think that old people were healthier than the modern age peoples, and they do physical activities more than modern peoples, and also their their relationships are better than
Were
modern
better
age,
than passive है ना? Were better than.
than modern age, and also they are spiritual than the modern age peoples.
हाँ, now you can say that they were more modern in the context of spirituality and all. We are not spiritual nowadays, or they were more spiritual. Have some points? Only one candidate is there who is speaking only. जी कुछ और पॉइंट रखो अपने ओल्ड एज वाले.
Okay, so I think that in the old age life when there was no technology like the mobiles and other things, so like people used to go outside and meet their neighbors, so they have the good bond with them, and also in the need they like their neighbors also help them, and because of the modern days, like everyone is busy in their work with their work, so like they are not creating a bond with their neighbors, and they don't even help them in the needs.
You want to say something? सार्थक, हाँ जी, आप जो नहीं कि इनके अगेंस्ट बोलें, आप ना अपने फेवर में रख सकते हैं कि मॉडर्न क्यों अच्छी होती है, जो इनके आंसर के साथ अपना आंसर ऐड करें, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू शुड हैव योर ओन पॉइंट्स. हाँ जी सानवी, से समथिंग.
But not every people are busy on their work. There are many people who do their private work and public works different, and they also do their public work and means they also do their work and also spend their time with families. So you cannot say that the modern age people do not interact with anyone.
कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे सार्थक, से समथिंग. अभी तो मुझसे कह रहे थे बोलेंगे ना.
Talks about their life, but they are not just watching about like the what is going on in the serials and like other something, and they are discussing about their next day, like what they are going to do and something other, but not like that in the before time. So like in families there are nowadays not that good bond that it used to be in the before time.
In the past. Nowadays people are quite busy with their work. They don't have bonding with their family members, with relatives and all. They are quite busy with their work. They have, you know, left contacting with their family members, friends. They don't meet them and all. They are saying like this. But earlier it was not like that. People sat together, had a chat together. They enjoyed together. But today they are not enjoying like this. They are busy with technology only.
But in modern age, the people thinking is very open-minded, and the old age, everyone thinking is so
Conservative.
conservative. Everyone think that women can't do anything, and now there are so many women who are growing up in other fields. In every field, you can see in the armies, in the pilot, and everything. Everywhere, women are trying to high their ratio than the men's.
In older time there were no technology except that, but in modern days the technology is doing what it is just taking the jobs of other people, and because of this unemployment is causing. In old days the unemployment was less than modern days.
A country, it is also developing ourselves.
Not developing the people, because nowadays people are not that good and they are mannerless. They don't even manage to respect elders, and like in the old time, because of, as I told you, that they had to keep a good bond, so they used to they used to respect others and with their relatives also.
I agree that there are many children and many people who don't respect, who are mannerless, but not everyone are mannerless. There are some children, some people who are spiritual and who live in joint family, who has manners, who has etiquettes to behave our elders and to behave in front of others.
Nowadays,
कोई और टॉपिक. हाँ जी, ये
nowadays if you visit in a normal average family, in every family the mobile phone is using. If you watch them, they all are just using mobile phone, and they do not have such a good bond. Because of this their communication skills got low and they cannot able to interact with each other.